migration is as old as mankind.
It is.
Once we stood up and on twos, we were migrating.
We were indeed, right? Yes, and other species migrate, right? I mean, it's just part of the natural order. So, I mean, it is neither a good nor a bad. It is something that is, right? It is part of the human condition and part of, the broader thing that living things do. But obviously in societies and having, created a world that now has states with boundaries and borders around them, it does bring up all sorts of questions about how people move, when they move, where they can move to. So, yeah, there's a lot to talk about.
And maybe a lot of it has to do with how the worlds typically think a world of scarcity rather than abundance.
Yes.
And it's through scarcity that we say, well, gee, I don't have as much and I want to go to somewhere that has more, either opportunity or food or shelter or whatever it is to survive. Perhaps that will enter into our human behavior.
Scarcity and looking for opportunity, right? And looking for, and sometimes survival, right? I mean, there's also, it's a smaller percentage, but there's a lot of people who move just to be able to survive and a lot more who move for opportunity, to try and do something better or to get away from a tough situation.